brand new to my channel, something I've never tried, I've been watching, I've been tempted, so finally I have mine. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara at BCsells. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing or unbagging, I should say, and try on from my Amazon, what do they call it, wardrobe. It's where the stylists style you. You go online, it's $4.99 a month, free shipping, and the stylist sends you some items based on your profile. So I've watched it, I've been kind of on the fence, and I'm like, let's give it a try. You never know. Okay, so it looks like everything is individually wrapped. They give you this nice little folder, tells you what you have to do, 7 days to try it on, and returns. Okay, so the bag that it comes in, they give you a label, put it on top of your old label. It's a resealable bag, and then you take it to UPS, it looks like. Looks like it's UPS, so that's good. And let's see, I'm not sure how many items I have. They also send you a preview where you can go in and say, yes, send these items. No, don't send this. I think there's a max 8, but I might be wrong. Okay, so let's see what's in the bag. Okay, it's all unwrapped. I'm gonna show them to you real quick. I don't know, I've gotta try to keep an open mind here. First one is a white denim jacket, which is really nice. I think this is by Tommy Hilfiger. Feels like it's got some stretch in it. The buttons are a little different. You know, they're more of a gold color than the darker ones, but it does have side pockets, so we'll see. You never know till you try it on. Okay, I have 2 pairs of white pants. These are by 7, limited edition. Never heard of 7. I think that's the name of it. It says 7. Oh goodness. Okay, let's see if we can get them on. Let's see if they don't bunch at the legs. This one is by another pair of white. Oh, this has the raw hem. That's nice. These are by, the label's upside down, Silver Jeans Company. Okay, those look like they might fit. Oh, I don't know about these. Leggings. Oh, these are little. Okay. I mean, I need some new leggings because the ones I currently have don't fit. I like that it has the wider band, and there's no tag. I'm not sure who these are by. These are by American Apparel. American Apparel. That's the thing about getting these boxes. I mean, I'm getting clothes that I've never tried before, the brands. So that's kind of fun. This is by BB Dakota. Looks like it ties. Pretty much my style. This one is by Lark and Row. Same type with the tie. Not sure this material, but we'll see how it fits and the prices. Oh, Levi's. I haven't had Levi's and I don't know how long. Oh yeah, these high rise, super skinny. Oh, yikes. Well, you never know. Is there stretch? Oh, no. Yeah. That's not gonna work. But, and they're distressed in the back too. No, never say never. All right, let's give it a try on. Okay, let's start off with this top. This is, the color is called Dusty. It's really a cute color. I love the color. I love the shape of this with the half sleeve, which works for me. I like the little gathering here. It's a great length, but it is so clingy. It's that, I don't know what material it is, but it's that real clingy, thin material that just shows everything through it. So this is going to be a no. This is the top by Lark and Rowe, and it's $10.23. See, it's just not laying right. No. So this is going to be a no. Okay, now the leggings are $10.57, and they are a spandex jersey high waist, navy. It says navy. They look black to me. And let's see, they are by American Apparel, $10.57. Okay, let's take a look at these. All right, you guys, I'm 5'4". These go all the way up here. That is so high. I mean, it's got a really nice thick band right here. And they're long. Like if you are tall and have a long torso, these will probably be great for you because I have to keep pulling them up. They feel great. I mean, the material, it's not too thick, it's not thin, so the material feels wonderful. And but the length is really long. I have this leg rolled up, but if I unroll it, I mean, it just keeps going. They're just way too long. So these, unfortunately, are a no, but they feel really good. All right, remember those Levi skinny jeans? Wow, this girl couldn't get them up over her hips. They are right here. They are the Levi 720 high-rise super skinny jeans, $35.70. No, these, I couldn't get them up. I could barely get them over my legs with the calves. This is really skinny. These things are not getting on this body. So maybe they're for somebody else. The price, you can't beat the price. The prices are great. I mean, for the prices, I'm gonna keep trying to see what they send me. You never know. So unfortunately, these are, well, all three of these so far are no. So let's see what's next. What do you think of this outfit? Okay, let's talk about this shirt first. This is by BB Dakota. I like the color. I like this color gray for some reason. This one's okay. I like the tie in the front. It gives you, you know, the illusion of a waist. It's just a really nice top. If the length is good, it's a little short, but not too bad. It stays, you know, covers up that belly, so it's good. I like the ties. So this is really nice. It's a really nice soft material. Let's see how much this one is. Ooh, this one is $43.15. I don't like it that much. I mean, I like it, but not $43 worth. Yeah. I mean, it's really thin. I mean, it's nice. It really is, but no, not for $43. Okay, let me tell you the jeans and then I'll back up and show them to you. These are by Silver Jeans Company, mid-rise skinny jeans, destroyed, $75.08. Okay, these are no, but let me show them to you. I think it gives me enough room in the waist. I keep pulling them up because, you know, they just keep, my hips want to pull them down. So at least they're, you know, they're okay. That way there is some gapping, but that's pretty typical for me. And let's see, you know, they're bunching around, so that's not a good look with all the bunching going on. Of course, the distressing right smack in the knees is never good, not for me. Yeah, my knees poking out. I like the hem on them, the where it's raw hem and it comes up in the front. They are a little long, but I'm okay with a little long. It's probably why they bunch, but overall not a good fit, especially for $75. So these are a no. Okay, now I'm going to show you the Tommy Hilfiger denim jacket. Let me tell you how much it is first. Let's see. $69.85. It's a size small, stretch denim. That's a good price. Oh, it's big. Yeah, it's too big. Look at the sleeves on it. There's something, this little bitty collar I'm not a fan of. I really don't like these gold buttons. They're different, but it's just, this is just kind of boxy. It's nice it has the pockets on the outside. Oh, it has pockets on the inside. So if this is something you guys are looking for, it's got pockets. You know, it's got the stitching in the back. Yeah, it's big. I feel like I'm swimming in it. I mean, it's a nice jacket. It's just not a Barbie jacket. Okay, I think I have one more item. Surprise, surprise, I could not get these on. What are they sending me junior clothes? I hope not. Okay, 7. These are by 7. It's a limited edition, premium denim. It's nice and soft. Does it have stretch? Yeah, there's stretch in it. Ultimate comfort, fabric technology. So, I mean, I really had high hopes for these, with them being this skinny. The price on these are $45.20. So, that is my very first. We have some fit issues. We just got to get the, I guess the right, there's certain brands that I just can't wear, I guess. So, all of these are no, they're all going back. But I'll try it again. I'll give them another try. You never know. The gray type front by BB Dakota, I would have kept, but not paying $45 for it. I just don't think it's worth it. So we'll see. We'll try it again. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Until I see you next time. Bye.